Welcome to a new video. In this video, we will explore how to find late RFQs in the Purchase module in Odoo 19. First, open the Purchase app. At the top of the screen, you will see several smart buttons. These buttons give you a quick overview of your purchasing status, such as New RFQ Sent, Late RFQs, Not Acknowledged, Late Receipt. Now, click on the Late RFQs Smart button. This will automatically filter and display all RFQs where the order deadline has already passed, but the RFQ is still not confirmed. You will notice that the order deadline is highlighted, making overdue RFQs easy to identify and follow up with vendors. Next, click on Not Acknowledged. This shows purchase orders that have been confirmed internally, but the vendor has not yet acknowledged them. This feature is especially useful when vendor confirmation is required before delivery, helping you maintain better control over the purchasing process. You can also open the Filters menu to apply additional filters or use the Group By option. This helps you identify frequently delayed vendors or track responsibility within your team. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.